The bright star's secret visit. High above in the endless night sky, there lived a little star named Nova. Among all the stars embroidered in the heavens, Nova was one of the brightest. She shone with a gentle, warm light, like a flicker of hope against the vast, dark universe. Every night, she sparkled with joy, watching over the world below and admiring the dreams and wishes that people sent up into the sky. But one night, Nova began to feel a gentle tug in her heart. She loved being part of the night sky, but she wondered what it would be like to see the world from below, to feel the earth and experience the lives of those who looked up to her light. With a quiet wish, she whispered to the universe, "I wish I could go down there, even just for a little while." The universe, hearing her wish, granted it in the form of a small, shimmering comet trail that began to carry Nova gently down to Earth. She floated through the cool night air, surrounded by a trail of sparkling stardust, and finally came to rest in a peaceful little town. Nova's light dimmed just enough so she wouldn't alarm anyone, but her glow was still bright enough to gently light up the quiet streets. In the town, Nova encountered many things she had only ever seen from afar. She saw children laughing and playing under the streetlights, families gathering around their warm homes, and a young girl staring up at the sky, as if she were waiting for something. Curious, Nova floated over to the girl, whose name was Mira. Mira had been wishing upon the stars every night, hoping to find a friend who could understand her dreams. She felt a little lonely, often looking up at the stars, wondering if anyone was listening. Nova twinkled gently in front of Mira, and in that moment, Mira felt a warmth in her heart, as if her wish had come true. She reached out, and Nova's soft glow illuminated her face, filling her with wonder and joy. They spent the night together, sharing silent conversations and laughter, and for the first time, Mira felt truly understood. As dawn approached, Nova knew it was time to return to her place in the sky. She floated up gently, leaving a trail of stardust for Mira to remember her by. Mira watched as Nova returned to her home among the stars, her heart brimming with gratitude and happiness. From that day on, Mira looked up at the night sky with a special smile, knowing that her friend, the brightest star, was always watching over her. And Nova, back in her place among the stars, shone a little brighter, carrying with her the memories of her night on Earth and the warmth of friendship.